today some delicious whiskey glazed bacon. So guys, let's do it. The first step for this bacon, you want to pop a frying pan on the hob, turn the heat to medium, and we're going to want some lovely smoked streaky bacon. Lay the bacon into the pan, and a great tip for cooking bacon, you want to pour in a splash of water, and to start, make sure you keep the heat around medium, not too high. Turn the bacon every few moments. When the water's reduced, add another little splash, and if you want to know a bit more about cooking bacon in water, click on the link below. I've made a whole video about this. Basically, it gives the bacon a nice even cook and helps to beautifully render out that fat. So keep turning the bacon, keep adding little dashes of water here and there, and just at the point when the bacon starts to get slightly brown, you want to let the water reduce away, turn the heat up a touch, and start to compress the bacon a little bit with a spatula. Give it another few moments until it starts to get brown. Keep turning every few minutes, and when you start to get the first little bit of crispiness, we want some honey. But first, remove some of the excess fat with some kitchen paper. So pour in some of that honey, a tablespoon or two will do ya. As the honey starts to caramelize, keep turning the bacon, evenly coating it, and then our whiskey. So you want to pour in a good splash of the whiskey, burn off the alcohol, and reduce it down to a nice sticky thick syrup, and then you want to turn off the heat and just leave the bacon to sit there for 3 to 5 minutes so the whiskey honey syrup almost sets to the bacon. And when you're done, remove the bacon, pop it onto a plate, and there you have some really delicious whiskey glazed bacon. You can use it for loads of different things, so get stuck in, give it a try, and I'll see you next time.